Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Gaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make PS4 games look better on your PlayStation 5 Pro with one simple setting. So I'm playing Doom 2016 right now, and it looks pretty good. So let's press the PlayStation button, go back to the home screen, then go up to the top, go to settings right here. Now go on down to screen and video. Then go to the right under video output. And we want to go to where it says enhance image quality for PS4 games. And this says, improve the image quality of PS4 games to enjoy higher quality gameplay for some games. Turn this off if you experience unexpected behavior during gameplay. So just make sure this is turned on and check mark, and then go back to your game, and you can see if there's an upgrade or not with the image quality. And it seems like some of the games I play, it runs at like 60 frames per second, or it's locked at whatever it is locked at, like 30 frames per second. But the image quality does look a little bit better. So I'm just playing Doom, and I noticed like the reflections are just a little bit better, but sometimes there won't be a huge upgrade like you're thinking. Go ahead and just check it out. It's kind of cool to go back to your old games and just see which is upgraded a little bit or what one looks a little bit better. Like Red Dead Redemption 2 looks phenomenal, but the bad thing is it's locked at 30 frames per second still, unfortunately. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Gaming.